Welcome back, everyone. This video is to cover my cousin Illisse's bridal shower. I planned the event for her, and so I wanted to share some of the details in case you are planning a bridal shower as well this year and need some inspiration. This menu was provided by the venue. It was a sweet little addition and it was really cute. I got these invitations on Etsy. The theme was navy, floral, and gold. These boxes I purchased from Michael's, the ribbon as well, and they held the glasses you're going to see in the next one. These glasses I did order from Etsy, and we just added some crinkle paper, and they were really cute favors. The bags I got from, I think, Target, and I ordered those tags on Etsy as well. This, I believe, was from photopop.com. You can link those through your phone. This was a really cute cake topper, also from Etsy. I got this box at Joann's, I believe, and we used that as her card box. The custom guest book was also ordered on Etsy. These custom napkins were also from Etsy. Really cute touch. I got them this recipe box, also from Etsy. Almost everything was from Etsy. These recipe cards as well, separate seller, but also from Etsy. This photo prop was from Etsy as well. Super cute, it came out. These Moet bottle labels, I did order also from Etsy. Here was what the table looked like. Those cookies are also from Etsy. I got them in the black and in the pink. And this is just a quick peek at the table, how it all came out. Got some matching champagne bubbly balloons. The theme was pretty much just like bubbly, brunch and bubbly was kind of what I was feeling. So that was why we had the champagne and the champagne cookies. So enjoy some more photos from the event, and towards the end there are some clips from the party. And like I said, the specific items will be linked in the description box below. Please like this video, click subscribe if you're interested in more, or comment in the comment box below and let me know if you want some more event inspo or what else you'd like to see. Thank you.